Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody questioned whenever they use the blend tool and they don't get them evenly spaced out. I normally use the blend tool up here under effects, but I'm going to use the one he was using that's on your toolbar. And I'm going to go blend and I'm just going to go from there to there. Now that's way too many, but you got a toolbar up here. You can make it less. Now there's these two hourglass looking things. You can move kind of the blend. And if you notice, these are touching and these aren't, but you can't get it really, that's pretty close, but the center ones aren't good. So to get them all evenly spaced apart, just select it all, which I already had, go to object, break the blend apart. Now there's still a group. So I select them all, go up to object and group and ungroup all, or just ungroup. And then if you'll select, if you see the space between here isn't the same as it is here, just select them all, go up to Windows, Dockers, and Align and Distribute, and use this one right here, which is Distribute Space Horizontally. And now, if you look at those lines, it spaced them out perfectly. And then you could, of course, you could fill them in with black, take away the outline, and you have a blend. Anyway, I hope that answered his question and helped you in the future, and thank you for watching.